How's it going, YouTube? Gozy here. Welcome back to the channel. I haven't seen you guys in a very long time. I think it's about 4 to 5 months, and I honestly, time flies. It felt like it's been maybe a month. For my bros who were checking up on me, I appreciate you. I had a couple guys texting me, "Are you alive? What's going on with the car? Where you at? You know, what's the word?" And I'm just like, look, bro, like, I'm just laying low. For those of you who've been following my channel since day one, you know I had a red vet. It was a 08 Z06 heads cam intake, and 10 grand later, and I was barely at 600 horses. I think it was 570 last time I downloaded it. I mean, I was just getting tired of it. I spent all that money and pretty much like nothing to show for it. So I'm not sure how many of you guys are following my Instagram, but I had posted on there that I had sold the vet. So I had guys messaging me like, "Bro, what happened? Why would you do that?" And I'm just like, man, I don't know. I'm just laying low. I couldn't tell y'all what the plan was. My Instagram, by the way, is crazy_McGrady. It should be in my bio as well. But yeah, crazy_McGrady. Follow. I usually follow back. But anyway, so arms getting tired. So the vet and kept the lookout. I was following a couple of Facebook pages, Corvette Facebook pages, you know, just keeping a lookout for any good deals. And I found something. It was down in Tampa. Has a Pro Charger on it. It is stock bottom end, but the guy sold it to me with a bunch of parts and boxes. Spent the first half of the day redoing the interior. I had a couple parts come in while I was waiting. New shifter. The seat I kept, so I just reinstalled that, and a couple other random stuff that I can't think about right now. And then I messed with the tune a bit, just to make sure nothing crazy was in there. I know you're wondering, well, what is it, Gozy? Let's see. I'm going to show you in just a minute, but I want to say it is for sure a good move. Definitely saving a lot of money doing it this way. And without further ado, let me stop talking and show you guys the car. There was y'all's brief walkthrough, and she's an 07 Z06, has about 70,000 miles on her body. Like I said, Pro Charge, stock bottom end, and I got a lot of plans for her. For the ones who were sending me messages, checking up on me, I appreciate y'all. Appreciate the support. I do it for y'all. See you guys on the next video.